Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I want to share with you today is a quick insight to our options membership and what it's all about. So this is a little clip put together, cut from different segments of the options membership class and session that we ran not too long ago. So again, it might be a day or so old, but it'll give you an insight on what the options membership is all about. Now, enjoy this clip. If you're interested in the options membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. You can go here and you can go to the membership section. That will link you up to our membership website. And once you're here, you can go ahead and take a look at the option ideas and strategies. And this is what it's all about. You'll get a sample clip right now, and you can also learn more insight right here. And there's also a couple of sample videos as well right there. Now, for watching this video, I will give you a little bonus and discount. And what you can do, I'll just show you right here. When you scroll down, if you're interested in signing up, you can type in the coupon code, share the love, do it all together, and you'll see apply the coupon code. It'll give you, I think it's a, 50% off the first month. So off the first month, you can get the first month half off, and then it'll renew. And if you're not interested, of course, you could just go ahead and cancel before that time is up. So that's a little bonus for those of you that are watching this video. Keep in mind, if you're watching this video 6 months later or a year later, the coupon code may not work. So understand that coupon codes do expire and they do change. And in that case, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So anyways, one other quick little bonus is remember that if you go to the Traders Fly website, go to the Getting Started page. There's also an Options Trading 101 for those of you completely brand new to options. Anyways, enjoy the clip. I think you'll get a lot out of it and seeing what our member section has to offer. When we look at calendar spreads, the whole point behind doing a calendar spread is to make money from time decay from the front month or the shorter term option. You're selling that one and you're buying another option further out for protection. So that way, the one that's the closer in amount of days decays faster than the one that's further out, right? If you sell one that's 15 days out and you buy one at 25 days out for protection, well, the one at 15 days will expire faster, right? It'll expire beforehand. So I typically like to do these positive Vega trades when a stock maybe is at the upper end. So or it might stall, or the market's been going up, or I want a positive Vega trade because the Vegas will help you out. Being positive Vega will help you out if a stock pulls back because volatility increases when it pulls back. So as this has been going up, like on something like Apple, you can see we're starting to kind of stall. We had a big day the other day, and we're still heading higher a little bit. Now, yes, there is some volume, so I don't want to take that for granted, not to mention this is a fairly bullish stock, and if we break 130, this could continue to move quite higher very quickly. But what I want to do is set up a little bit of a trade that's maybe around 130 to 135, and the reason I'm doing this because I can show you a little bit of a synthetic trade. So you could see right now I have a 130, 131, 132, 133 in these strikes, but what you'll notice is on these strikes there's only by fives. These, however, there are ones. So what I want to do is, first off, let's build a 130 calendar. I'm going to go 14 days out. I'm going to sell that one and buy this one for protection. So we'll sell this and we'll buy this one. So I'll go about 130 just in case, because we are a little bit, we want to position it slightly bullish. And the reason for that is because if the Vegas continue to, let's just say keep going down, and meaning the stock keeps going up, this could be a little bit of a problem. Now, I may want to position it a little bit more neutral. Let's say 129, something like this. That could be a good starting point. Let's say you're kind of balanced, you're neutral on it. Maybe it'll stall out, or even if it goes up a little bit, this position will give you a range of about 132. So that's pretty good, right? So with this starting point, 20 contracts is about $2,000. What I can also do is let's duplicate the trade. And the thing is what if it keeps going up? So you do have to kind of take that into account. What I could do is set up another position at 131, 132, and kind of spread things out a little bit. And the whole point behind that is to increase your delta exposure. So right now I have 25 deltas, but if I add more calendars on that side, I can increase that. Even if I just add 2 of them, I can increase that to 32 deltas. So you can see right there, 24, 32, and that allows you to kind of customize the trade a little bit more. So that's the interesting part, is I may have one calendar or a couple calendars here, very cheap, a little bit more bullish. So there's only like 2 spreads here. But then I have like 20 of them over here. Now I could shift this a little bit. So let's say I bring this down to maybe 10 over here, and then maybe a little bit more over here, like 8 or 7. So you can see my deltas are fairly similar to what I had before. The difference is I have much more range now. So that's the beauty behind setting up kind of like a double calendar spread, is where do you want your concentration of price risk, right? Do I want it kind of more at the money with a slight little bit of bullishness, or do I want a little less concentration at the current price and make it a little more bullish? So you can see my delta, I'm still at 37 here, okay? But watch, what if I go this way and then increase a few of these? Now I'm at about 37, 39. Or I could do the other way, where I have like 20 of these, and then I have just 2 or 3 of those. So again, it's just a little bit of a different profit picture, but delta-wise, you can really concoction things that are, depending on your liking. Now, for me, I'd rather keep it at the money for the time being. Why? Because stock's been going up for a little while. The volatility levels are fairly low, and that concerns me. So that's why I'd rather put them near the money. So 129, if I go 128, that's kind of right here, and that may not be exactly what I want. That's much more neutral. So I might say 129, because I want a little positive delta to offset some of this positive vega that I have, and that could be like a spread that I might do. I might just do 20 and then 3 contracts here, and this way, as this continues to kind of head higher, these 3 contracts, they wouldn't really help me out a ton, but it softens the blow if things do keep heading higher. It's just a little bit of a cushion. If you want a little more protection on the upside, then you just reduce these contracts a little bit and increase the other ones, okay? If you want more protection on the downside, then have more kind of at the money. That's what I would say a little bit. All right, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, quick clip, and some insights on what we do kind of in the members section of the options segment. Keep in mind, if you're brand new to just getting started, go check out the options trading start here section on our website at tradersfly.com, or you could go to the freebies section where you could go ahead and download quite a lot of other cheat sheets, worksheets, mini video courses, and things that I'm working on for you guys. And if you want to join us in the members area, go to the membership section right up here on the navigation bar. You'll be then taken to our members website, and that's where you can see the options, ideas and strategies membership plan, and you can get a big overview of what it's really all about as well with a video there. So thanks again for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe if you're brand new to the YouTube channel, or of course, go ahead and join the newsletter list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, courses, products, books, and maybe even join us on our live video session from time to time. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.